Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to record audio without needing to unlock lock screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let us move to the lock screen. So now you can see the lock screen. So just tap and hold on the lock screen wallpaper. And now you will see here add widgets option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now just click on this voice recorder. Now here you can select either the first one or the second one, whichever you feel convenient. So I'm gonna select this one since it has a time showing up. So you can select the first one also, but the tricks will still remain the same. Just click on it. Now it will be added. So now just click on this done. So finally we have added a audio recorder directly on the lock screen. Now if I click on this icon, so you can see it's starting to record. And if you want to pause it, just click on this button. Then it will get paused, and if you want to completely stop it, just click on this stop button, then it will get stopped and it will automatically saved. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily record audio without needing to unlock lock screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.